Hi, this is the Royal Lab. It's our machine that reads test kits. You make the test. Over here we had the calcium test. So I'll just do it in my hand. You put it in here. You choose that you're measuring calcium. You press start. And it gives you the exact reading as you do with the color, but very precise. It's very accurate.
All right. And
This is the working prototype. This is the final product. It will be ready in about 6 months. It will be able to do all those tests in here. It works with Royal Nature test kits. The test kits are already available for sale in the United States. There's also this one, has all of the tests together.